HUBC ran more than 200% today. We're going to be going over how he caught this more than 6 times today for profit. Let's go and get into it. We played this a lot today, and most of it happened right as we went into the lunch hour because we just had this huge volume break out of the daily high. We played it here over 12:15 p.m. We were in at 55 cents, got to move all the way over 60 cents, and then played it again. Got to move all the way to 75 and 80 cents, which you can see here. If you do want full lessons like this every single day, make sure to join us for our morning live trading stream in the Discord for every morning from 8 a.m. until about 11 a.m. Eastern time. So, I mean, really the whole story here today was price action. And whenever you can read price action on names like this, these strong names are so predictable and so plentiful when it comes to opportunity. You really had to take advantage of this one today, and we did a really good job doing that. So, of course, the initial trade here was the pullback after it showed that big strength over the high of day. Now, we were risking the low of this move here initially, and of course, once we did find buyers, went ahead and tightened that up. But then you can see we played this again and again and again and again, and we're going to look at how. So again, using simple supply and demand, we were able to find really nice entry points on this after the initial move, pretty much all afternoon. So again, simple demand here. We were looking for entry here. As you can see, we had this impulsive move out of this zone once, twice today, out of this 55 down to 54.30 area, and you can see this was pretty much a prime entry here. It did pull back and found big buyers again out of that 55.90 area, popped up to 63. We've actually played this pullback here. You can see in the alerts right up here. Let's go ahead and go up here, right here. We're playing this entry down here below, risking 54.30, which again, exact level here, 54.30. And then played it again. As you can see here, I said zone still respecting, watch for pullbacks. That was at 101. And again, this thing ended up popping. You can see here, half out at 0.635. And then just kept on raising stops and scaling. Ended up going more and more. Thing was crazy. Got to make sure you're taking advantage of these. It was just fantastic. And then, of course, we had PRZO and After Hours and a few others as well. But today was just one of those days where everything seems to be working. We have some really nice momentum in small caps again. But the biggest thing here, watching price action. Don't just take some random entries and setups like this just because you're getting FOMO because it's up 200% on the day. You got to take logical entries. So taking those pullbacks into previous demand zones is one of the best ways that I find to find re-entries in plays like this. The risk to reward is generally fantastic, especially in an example like this from 54 up to 64. And that's 10 cents of range, which is huge in a name like this. So really good one today, and I really want to watch this tomorrow again over 83 cents. You have that clear gap on the daily up to $1.05. We'll say a dollar, that whole number dollar magnet level. We do have room to. If this conflict does worsen overnight, we will see, and that will be over today's high of day over 83 cents. This is going to be a really nice one to watch tomorrow. Make sure to tune into the Discord for our nightly watch list for tomorrow and our pre-market watch list in the morning, as well as our live trading in the morning from 8:30 a.m. Eastern until about 11 a.m. Eastern. So definitely be there for that. Ton of volatility in the market right now, and I'm super stoked to get in the bank tomorrow. So I'll see you guys there. Have a blessed rest of your night, and make sure to follow for more videos like this.